When you turn it on, it takes a while for the computer to update itself. The fact that you need to use your computer right now for study, work, or leisure causes you to wait, to lose time, and to interrupt your work. So today I'm going to show you how to disable the update for Windows 11. There are many ways to disable Windows updates. Here are the two most effective ways. 1. How to disable Windows automatic update. 2. How to permanently disable Windows updates. Here's how to disable the automatic update in Windows. When the installation is complete and the update is complete, and you don't want to update your computer, you want to disable the update. Then, to disable automatic update Windows, press Window plus R to open the Shake dialog. Then type gpedit.msc and select OK. In this window, you select Administrative Templates, then select Windows Components. Continue searching for Windows Update and click to select. In this window update, select Manage Updates offered by the Windows Server Update Service. Then click double on Automatic Update Detection Frequency. Here are 3 items: not configured, enabled, and disabled. To disable automatic Windows updates, you tick Disabled, then Apply, and then OK, and then automatic Windows updates are disabled. The machine will no longer automatically update. When you want to update, point to the manual update. That's how to disable the automatic update of Windows. If you want to permanently disable it, see the following. From the window, you enter Services, and click Select. In this window, you find the Window Update line. Then click Double to open up. At Startup Type, there are options like Automatic, Manual, and Disabled to permanently disable. You choose Disabled, then Stop, then Apply, and finally OK if the Windows Update has been permanently turned off. If you go back to the Windows Update check window, the computer will not be able to update again. To open it again, you go back to the settings and choose Manually, then choose Apply and OK, and you have reopened Windows Update and manually updated again. So I've taught you how to turn off automatic updates or permanently turn off updates for your computer so that work and entertainment are uninterrupted, and with low configuration computers running steadily, Windows will make the machine run smoother with no more lag. Don't forget to subscribe to the Like Share channel for more videos. Hello, and see you again.